A toner probe is a tool used by network technicians to locate and trace cables in a network infrastructure. The toner, often a small device, is connected to one end of a cable, while the probe, usually handheld, is used to trace the cable's path by detecting the toner's signal. The toner emits a distinctive tone or signal that travels along the cable, allowing the technician to follow the cable's route, even through walls or ceilings, by listening for the signal with the probe. On the other hand, a cable tester is a device used to verify the integrity and connectivity of network or data cables. It typically consists of a main unit and remote unit, which are connected to each end of the cable being tested. The cable tester then performs various tests to check for continuity, wiring configuration, and any faults or issues in the cable. It provides visual and/or audible feedback to indicate whether the cable is properly connected and functioning correctly. Both tools are essential for network troubleshooting, installation, and maintenance tasks, helping technicians ensure the reliability and performance of network connections.